Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to crochet another ball for a Christmas tree with unusual design and the diameter of about 3 inches. This is what the ball looks like. It consists of 2 parts. We are going to start each part with 12 single crochet stitches made into a ring of chain 7. So let's start with chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A slip stitch in the first of those chain stitches, and including this end of thread in our work, we'll now start making single crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And a slip stitch in the first of those 12 stitches. 12 single crochets. Now we can cut off this end of thread. The main element of this pattern is a triple crochet stitch in round 2. In every other single crochet stitch that we made, we'll be making 3 triple crochet stitches with chain stitches and a picot between. Instead of the first triple crochet, we'll always be making chain 4. And now another triple crochet in the same place. And one more triple crochet in the same place. 3 triple crochets, chain 5. We'll make a slip stitch in the 4th chain from the hook. This way we'll have 1 chain stitch on this side of the picot, and we'll need to make another chain stitch on the other side of the picot. Now skip 1 single crochet, and in the next one make a triple crochet stitch, another triple crochet stitch in the same space, and one more. Chain 5, a slip stitch in the 4th from the hook to make a picot, and chain 1. Skip 1 single crochet, make 3 triple crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3. Chain 5, a slip stitch in the 4th chain from the hook, chain 1, and continue working this pattern, please. Repeat it 3 more times. At the end of the round, after you made the last picot and chain 1, make a slip stitch in the 4th beginning chain to finish this round, like this. In the 3rd round, instead of 3 triple crochets, we'll be making 5 triple crochets, doubling a triple crochet on each side. And here we'll start with chain 6 instead of chain 5. So once again, start with chain 4 and a triple crochet in the same place. Then 1 triple crochet in the middle stitch of 3 and 2 in the last one. 1, 2. 5 triple crochets. Now chain 6, a slip stitch in the 4th chain from the hook. This way we'll have chain 2 on one side of the picot, and we'll need to make 2 more chain stitches on the other side. Now 2 triple crochets in the first of 3 of the previous round. 1 triple crochet in the middle and 2 in the last one. 5 triple crochets, chain 6, a slip stitch in the 4th from the hook, chain 2, and continue this pattern. Please repeat it 4 more times. In round 4, we'll continue to widen this part and we'll be making 7 triple crochet stitches and chain 7 between without any picots. So make chain 4 and a triple crochet in the same stitch, and then 3 times stitch and stitch, 1 triple crochet, another triple crochet, and 1 more triple crochet, and 2 in the last of 5 stitches, 1, 2, 7 altogether. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, chain 7, and moving on to the next group of triple crochets, we are making 2 stitches in the first of 5, then 3 stitch and stitch, and the 2 in the last one. Seven and chain 7. Continue this pattern, please. In round 5, we'll be making 4 triple crochets together, 2 in the first triple crochet of 7, and then 1 in the second, 1 in the third. We'll finish them together as a puff stitch. Then we'll make chain 3, a single crochet in the 4th of those 7 double crochets, chain 3 and 4 triple crochets together, and then chain 4, a single crochet in the middle of these 7 chain stitches, chain 3, another single crochet in the same chain stitch, and chain 4. Every time we are making a few triple crochets together, we'll start with chain 3 instead of chain 4. And now we are beginning another triple crochet in the same place. But we won't finish it. We'll begin a triple crochet in the second of these 7 stitches and another one in the third. And then we'll finish them all together, all 4. Chain 3, a single crochet in the middle of this 7, chain 3. Now begin a triple crochet stitch in the 5th of these 7 stitches, another one in the 6th, and 2 in the 7th. And now when we have 4 unfinished triple crochets and 5 threads on the hook, we'll pull the hook through all of them. Chain 4, a single crochet in the middle of these 7 chain stitches, chain 3, and another single crochet in the same place, chain 4. Now we'll make 4 unfinished triple crochets, 2 in the first of 7 stitches, 1 in the next, and 1 in the following stitch. 4, 5 threads on the hook, pull the hook through, chain 3, a single crochet in the middle of 7 triple crochets of the previous round, chain 3, and start 4 triple crochets. 1, 1, and 2 in the last stitch. 1 and 2. Now finish them all together. Chain 4, a single crochet in the middle of this chain space, chain 3, and another single crochet, chain 4, and continue making this round. Please, at the end of the round, make a slip stitch in the top of this first puff stitch that we made. In round number 6, we are going to make single crochets in every puff stitch that we made, consisting of 4 triple crochets together here and here, and in every chain 3 space, in every puff stitch and chain 3 space, with chain 7 between them. Instead of the first single crochet, we are making chain 1 and then chain 7. A single crochet, chain 7, 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 a single crochet in chain 3 space, and so on. Continue making this round, please, At the end of the round, make a slip stitch in the first beginning chain that we made instead of the first single crochet. Cut off and weave in the end of the thread. And then make another half exactly like this, but without this last round. I will show how to make that last round connecting the two parts. I have now finished making 5 rounds of the second half and am ready to start making the last round, the round of chain 7, and we are going to make connections to the first part using the fourth chain stitch, the middle chain stitch of each chain 7 of the first half. So instead of the first single crochet, we are making chain 1 and then chain 3. We'll find the middle chain stitch of this group of 7, insert the hook there, and we'll pull the hook to the front. This way we have made chain 4 so far here, and now chain 3. So 7 all together. Make a single crochet stitch in the next puff stitch, chain 3, find the chain in the middle of this chain 7 group, make another chain stitch and 3 more. A single crochet in this chain 3 space. Once again chain 3, find the chain stitch in the middle and chain 3, a single crochet, chain 3, insert the hook in the fourth chain of 7, chain 3, a single crochet, and so on. Continue working this way, connecting both parts. At the end of the round, make a slip stitch in the first beginning chain, which we made instead of the first single crochet, and cut off and weave in the end of the thread. Now we need to shape the ball, to harden it. This can be done using white glue or cornstarch, and I have a video on my channel how to use those. Watch it if you want to. The link is on your screen now. And then soak the crocheted ball there, insert a small round balloon inside, and leave the crocheted ball to dry. As you can see, instead of tying the balloons, I use clips. This way, if one of the balloons loses air, it will be easy to correct the situation. I leave the balls to dry for about a day and then release the air from the balloons and take them out. This is it for today. If you liked the video, please push the like button. And if you want to be informed of new developments on the channel, consider subscribing and pushing the notification bell. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Bye-bye.